Hi all, today we will discuss about one of the important command in Linux. We have a command called history which shows all the command what we have executed in the past. So like this, I have history su echo file hist file cd echo path. This command I have executed and we have all this. C is around 900 commands in a history. So this is called history command, which are having the history of your all the command executed by current login user. Okay, where is this history going to save? Where this all command what we have executed is having this session save, or the value of this is getting saved. Like if I run the history, this content should be saved anywhere, then only this history command able to find that. To find the location of that file, we have command echo and we have parameter like hist file. Okay, so it's showing /root.bash _ history. So every user having a file .bash _ history in his home directory. If I go to su-tom user, should be echo $hist file. So it's showing /home/tom.bash _ history. So tom user home directory is having .bash history file. Okay, so I'm exiting this. I'm becoming a root again. Clear the screen. So for this .bash _ history, this file containing all the command what we have executed, so it's going to save in this file only. So if we do cat /root.bash _ history, see, it's having all the files. Now what we are doing, we'll see what the other content here, echo, and we have another parameter hist control. What you have, ignore dupes means ignore duplicates. So if I run like ls-l, okay, I will run history command. This ls-l is there. Okay, so what I am going to do, ls-l1, ls-l2, and ls-l 3 times. Now I am executing history. So see, it's having ls-l only one time. Even I ran this command thrice, but I am having entry once only. That's the, if you are running a command, same command in a continuous way, like one after other, ls, or if I run pwd twice, and if I run the history command again, I will get only one entry. So in a consecutive manner, if you run this command, so you'll get this. Sorry, by mistake I closed my putty session. Let me log it again. Even though I log out and log in, history will be there only. See, pwd 943 lines we have. So now we will see the current size of history, how much line it can contain. Echo $hist file size. So it's showing 1000. Okay, so if we have to change, we have export hist file size equal to 100. Now we will see the size of this 100. Now if I execute the command, history is containing 971. So if I clear the history, it will get only 971 100 file. So I don't want this much, I want this. Okay, so now what we'll have, the value of this got changed over here, 10,000. In the same manner, we have echo $hist control. So I already is no dupes, so duplicate will not get save over here. So if I want to change, export hist control equal to ignore space. So if we see page control is ignore space. Oh, it's in caps, sorry. You have to ignore space. So now value of this echo ignore space. Now ls-l with the space and space pwd. Let's see is showing this or not. History. See, is not able to find the value which you are executing with space. Like is 979. So if I execute space ls-l or space pwd, now I'll execute pwd without space, and then I will execute history. So see, pwd I have executed, but before pwd I have executed ls and pwd with space. So is ignoring all the command which I am executing with space, is not going to save, is not containing history. So history is not recording the command which I am executing using space, which are starting from space. Okay, but if you want to remove that, you have command ignore space, you just remove, then you can type no dupes again. Okay, so you will not get duplicate again, or if you can remove all. So it's totally depend on you. Okay, so it's not no dupes, is having ignore no dupes. Now we will check the value of this echo dollar his control. Okay, double C, sorry, is echo his control. Is no dupes, so it will not record duplicates. ls-l ls-l pwd history. Okay, so in this way you can use this. So see you in the next session. Bye.